If you want to control when Evernote emails you about mentions in shared notes, this quick tutorial will show you exactly where to find the setting and how to turn it on or off. By the end, you'll know how to manage mention email notifications in Evernote in just a few clicks. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple Evernote tips and tutorials. Now let's jump in. First, open Evernote on your computer and make sure you're signed into the correct account. Once you're in, look to the bottom left corner of the app and click your profile icon. This is where Evernote keeps account and preference related options. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Inside Settings, you'll see different sections that control how Evernote behaves, so take a moment to stay in the Preferences area. Next, open the Application tab. This tab includes several app level settings, including notification options. Now look for the Notification section. In that area, find the option that says, Notify me by email when someone mentions me in a note. This is the setting that controls whether Evernote sends you an email whenever someone mentions your name in a shared note. If you want those email alerts, simply check the box. Once it's enabled, Evernote will send you a notification by email when you're mentioned. If you no longer want those alerts, just uncheck the box instead. That disables the email notifications without changing anything else in your account. One important thing to remember is that this setting only affects email notifications for mentions in shared notes. It does not stop other people from mentioning you, and it does not change your collaboration permissions. It only controls whether you receive an email about the mention. After you make your choice, you can close the settings window. Evernote saves the preference automatically, so there's no extra save button to click, and that's it. You've now learned how to manage mention email notifications in Evernote the easy way. If this tutorial was useful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Evernote walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.